Hey y'all, I am here to give you guys a new segment called Makeup with Kat.
Hey Kat!
So you see, I have my muse, Miss Defrance, and she is my canvas for today. Everything that I have put on her face will be down below, so make sure you guys are checking that out. So today the theme that we're going with is natural simplicity. We're going for a natural look, baby, because there's nothing like having a no makeup day. There is no wrong or right way to do makeup, in my opinion. I feel like whatever you feel like will complement your face and how you will want the makeup to come out, that's all that matters. But if you want to take some pointers and, learn a little something, just a little bit, that's cool with me too. So the order I normally go in when I'm doing my makeup, I take care of my skin first. So I prep the skin, of course, moisturizing, sunscreen, priming the skin, stuff like that. And then I do my brows, then I do my eyes, then I do my foundation, then I highlight, contour, and then I set my face. And there's the steps. So I am using my Jackie palette, okay? Shout out to Jackie, Aina. We love Jackie over here, okay?
Yogic.
So for the foundation, we are using Fenty Beauty. Shout out to my girl Riri.
Yogic.
Y'all, I swear by this powder from Ben Nye. This is the first powder besides Airspun. Y'all remember when you remember when you first started doing makeup and you used Airspun? Okay. When I use this, baby, Ben Nye gets the job done. And if y'all can, please suggest other setting powders as well. I definitely want to try some out. Then as far as the blush, I am using Super Scent, the crayon case. Watch me blush. And here is the finished look. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I would like to thank Dania for being my muse today. Thank you so much, Dania Defrance. Y'all can follow her on her social media. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.